How to trim your eyebrow hairs if they grow down. So I did a live Q&A on this, but you guys couldn't see real well, so I'm going to try to do it one more time. So if your hairs are growing down, if you can see really close there, you're going to trim, you're going to brush them down and then trim just up to where the bristles are, okay? The brow hairs that are growing flat, how you trim those is you trim them up and just past the brow line, if you can see, you're just going to gently trim just where it passes the brow line, and so it will lay flat. Okay, so the ones that grow down, you bring them down. And the ones that lay flat, do it this way. If they grow past the brow line, which you can just see just some of them, doesn't really show up, you're gonna just past the brow line. See that? See how it's just, you're just gonna do the tips. Okay? And then you can lay flat. That's it.